Alright, it's time for another video. This time, I'm going to show you how to make some excellent rainbow trout. I caught these two trout here. They've been butterflied, like this. And I'm going to show you the best way to prepare these here. This is going to be delicious, I guarantee it. First, you want to take about a half a stick of butter and some stone ground mustard. And just put about a tablespoon of the mustard in there with the butter. Take about a teaspoon of honey and put that in there with the mustard and the butter. And I'm going to put that in the microwave to melt. Okay, so now you've got your butter melted with the honey and the mustard in there. You want to put about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. A little bit of black pepper. And I've got some dill that I grew. You want to put about a half a teaspoon of that dill in there. And mix that all together. And this is your marinade for these trout. Feel free to give that a taste. It's excellent. Okay, so now you just want to take some olive oil and you want to coat the outside of these fish with some olive oil. Okay, so I had my cast iron skillet in the 450 degree oven preheating in there with it. I put the olive oil on the skin of the fish so that when I put my fish in there, it's going to crisp up the skin really nice. So what you're going to do with your marinade here is you're just going to brush it right onto the meat side of the fish. And put a nice liberal amount on there. And take that and put it into the pan. And do the same thing to the other one. And now these are going to go into the 450 degree oven for 10 minutes. Alright, here we go after 10 minutes in the oven. You can see that the tail is crisped up there. It's one of my favorite parts. I don't know about you. But then again, I'm the guy who likes walleye cheeks, so what are you going to do? And you see under here, if you can, that skin is nice and crisp too. Got some browning to it. So let's get this on a plate. Alright, so there you go. Here's some delicious trout. I roasted some of these little cherry tomatoes. I roasted a whole clove of garlic. You can just break those open and eat them with the trout if you like garlic, and I really do. So that's it. Give this one a try. I guarantee you're going to love it. This is one of the simplest recipes you've seen me make. What did that take? 15 minutes? Give this one a try. Thanks for watching.